That was a good one.
Nora girl. Yummy, yummy, yummies. Yummy, yummy, yummies.
Mmm.
These are so good.
Num nums.
Hey. Hey, you. Is that nummies? Oh, no, we don't spit it out. It's mixing with my drool. Do, 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 do. Oh, now you're all clamming up. Now you won't do it for me. Now the diet here.
What's the matter? Come on, eat your food. Yeah?
Now it's doing so good.
I just wasn't paying attention to her. Go ahead, try again. Mmm. That's the tastiest bowl of whatever that stuff is ever.
You gotta keep it in the mouth. Do, moo, moo.
What do you think?
Diddle, 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 diddle.
She says it has an excellent balance of flavor, but it lacks presentation.
See, Mommy can't get in my mouth when I'm shaking like that. See, we're getting it, though. We're doing good. Doo-doo, doo-doo. I think tomorrow I'll make it a little thicker. Ready? Yeah, you like it.
That was Nora.
Oh, Mommy's making a mess.
Say, open up. Open up for the train to come in.
Come on, ride the train and ride it.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Oh. Oops, Mommy's dropping on me. All right, are we done? We ate. We're looking at how much we ate. So much.
Good work. Yeah.
We gotta go to Graham. We gotta go to Nana's and eat. After I totally destroyed your outfit, but it's soaking wet. One more bite.
You gotta make the noise for her. You gotta do the
She's like,
Done with this. Done with this. That was good, huh?
She did a good job.
Really? What else?
Mommy's gonna stick it in there when I'm not paying attention.
What else?
Sorry, Mom. I'm in a daddy trance. I don't know if you know who this guy is, but he's my dad. And I can't pay attention to anything else right now. I haven't seen him all day, except for lunch
Except for lunch.
and visits. Okay. Well, that was a much more successful feeding.
That's my impression of a dying cat. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? You're such a little actress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready? Alright, we gotta go. Say bye, everyone.
Say bye, Nora. Say bye-bye.
See you next time.
Take that as a bye.